Meanwhile, the number of passengers at the Araneta Center bus terminal is now declining. As of this evening, estimates place the remaining passengers there at less than 2,000. Sweden vlog.
Thousands of passengers going to their provinces were expected to arrive at the Araneta Center bus station today, as April 1 also marks the last working day for the observation of Holy Week. But according to PNP Senior Inspector Mario Manipon's record, there is a huge decline on the number of passengers this year, only 7,000 compared to 9,000 in 2014.
Consider po kasi natin na may typhoon tayo ngayon, di ba? So, nung nakaraan, 27 ng March 27, dumagsa po yung mga passenger. Umabot po ng more or less na po yung passenger na naitala. Umabot lang po tayo ng kanina, as of today, kanina, yung estimated passenger is more or less 800 lang yung umabot. Pero overall, siguro umabot lang ng mga 7,000.
Meanwhile, many passengers could no longer purchase tickets going to Bicol, as most of the bus companies are fully booked until tomorrow. Some travelers are just hopeful they could be chance passengers. In terms of security, MMDA officers require all and their assistants to undergo breath analyzer test an hour before their travel time to ensure that they are not working under the influence of alcohol. As of 1 p.m., a total of 80 drivers were tested and all results were negative. There are also no cases of nausea and fainting reported to members of MMDA Road Emergency Group and Red Cross despite the warm weather. Most of the passengers, though, request for blood pressure tests. Police Senior Inspector Manipon stated that he is satisfied with the turnout of the security and medical attention they have provided to our local travelers together with local government agencies.
Marami po tayong pulis na na-augment po dito, nakapaligid po sa area, so wala po tayong problema. Safe po ang ating mga mamamayan.
For the People's Television, this is Sweden Velado.